Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our today's class. Our online class has resumed after our half-yearly exam, isn't it? Yes. So, hearty welcome to all of you to our today's EVS class. Students, are you ready for our today's class? Ready? Now, all of you, please take your EVS text and take the page number 20. Today we are going to learn about our fourth lesson, the houses of our friends. Okay? Children, look here. This is a picture of a town. What is town? A town is usually a place with a lot of houses but not a city. Town is a thickly populated area, usually smaller than a city and larger than a village, having fixed boundaries. So, town is a big place having number of buildings. Now all of you take your page number 20. Lesson 4. The houses of our friends. Look here. Where do you live? You live in a town or in a city? Do you know what a town is? Children, tell me what a town is. Look here. A town is a big place having a number of buildings. What is? A town is a big place having number of buildings. Many people live in a town. So once again, what a town is. Underline here. A town is a big place having a number of buildings. Many people live in a town. Okay? Look here. This is the picture of a city. A city is bigger than a town. A city is very crowded. Okay? So, this is a city. City is bigger than a town. Now tell me, what do you mean by city? Yes, a city is bigger than a town. What is? A city is bigger than a town. A city is very crowded. Once again, a city is bigger than a town and a city is very crowded. Okay? Now look here. Some of our friends live in other places also. Let us find out where they live. Okay? Are you ready? Now please listen. This is village. Life in a village refers to the life of people living in rural areas peacefully and calmly. Village life is beautiful and peaceful. Villages are close to nature. The major source of employment for people in village life is the agriculture sector. The houses in the village are very small and clean. In the village, we can see rivers and ponds. Now, all of you take your page number 21. Look here. This is Bindu. Tell me, who is this? Yes, this is Bindu. She lives in a village. She lives in a, where is? Yes, village. Look here. She lives in a village. Her house is small and neat. Her house is small and very neat. Many trees grow around her house. Look here. Many trees grow around her house. Isn't it? Yes. Her father is a farmer. He works on a farm. Where does Bindu's father work? Yes, he works on a farm. A farmer works on a farm, isn't it? Yes. There is small pond near her house. There is a small pond near her house. She likes to swim in the pond. Bindu is happy to live in the village. Okay? So, a village life is very peaceful, beautiful and calmly. The houses in village are very small and neat. Isn't it? Yes. Then what is the job of those who live in the village? Yes, agriculture means farmer. Farmer works on a farm. Isn't it? Yes. Now all of you take your next page and look here. This is Madhu's house. Listen. This is Madhu's house. He lives by the side of a mountain. Look here. He lives by the side of a mountain. Do you know what a mountain is? Look here. A mountain is bigger than a big hill. What is a mountain? A mountain is bigger than a big hill. Tea and coffee plants grow near his house. Which plants? Tea and coffee plants grow near his house. It is cool on the mountains. Madhu's father works in a tea plantation. Madhu's father works in a tea plantation. Okay? Madhu likes his house at the mountains. Now all of you please listen. This is mountain. A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surroundings, taller than a hill. Tea and coffee production is mainly situated to grow in the hilly areas. Mountain weather is cool and windy. Okay? Now tell me, what is tea plantation? Tea is a tropical shrub and is cultivated mostly as a plantation crop. Tea plantations look like a huge forest made up of small trees. What is the next? Plain. Look here. Raju lives in a plain. Raju lives in a plain. Do you know what a plain is? A plain is a flat place. What is? A plain is a flat place. There are many paddy fields near his house. Listen here. We can see there are many paddy fields near his house. Paddy grows in the fields. Paddy grows where is? Yes, in the fields. Then, a canal flows by the side of his house. Look here. A canal flows by the side of his house. Raju's father works in the paddy fields. He helps his father in his work. The major occupation of the people of plain is agriculture. There we can see paddy fields, canals, ponds, etc. Isn't it? Yes. Now all of you please listen. This is the picture of a plain. A plain is a flat place. A plain is a broad area of relatively flat land. The major occupation of the people of plain is agriculture. There we can see paddy fields, canals, etc. Forestry, fishing and water transportation are also important means of livelihood. Then, what is the next? Seashore. Do you know who this girl is? Yes, this is our friend Binny. She lives near the seashore. Where is? She lives near the seashore. All around her house there is white sand. Okay. She often goes to the seashore. She likes to play with the waves. She likes to play with the waves. She collects seashells. Her father is a fisherman. She loves the sea and the seashore. Okay? So, the major occupation of the pupil of seashore is fishing. Okay? Her father is a fisherman. Okay? Now look here. This is the picture of seashore. The water is clear and a rich deep blue in color. At the seashore, we can see colorful seashells in the sand. At the shore, you can hear the crash of the waves against the sand. The major occupation of the people of seashore is fishing. So, my dear students, our country is beautiful with hills, mountains, rivers, plains, and seashores, etc. Isn't it? Yes, we must love and protect our country. Okay? Very good. Now we go to our today's activity. Fill in the blanks. What's our first question? A farmer works on a dash. Where is? Yes, farm. A farmer works on a farm. So you have to write here farm. Spelling F-A-R-M. Okay, the next one. Tea plants grow on the sides of dash. What's the correct answer? Is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Tea plants grow on the sides of mountain. Okay, then paddy looks dash in color. Tell me. Is green in color. Paddy looks green. G-R-E-E-N. Green in color. Then fisherman catch dash. What is? Yes, of course, fish. Fisherman catch fish. F-I-S-H. Okay. Then what's the next? Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Town, land, hill, pond, play. Then what's our first question? A city is bigger than a dash. Yes, a city is bigger than a town. So here the answer is town. The next one. We swim in the dash. Where is? Pond. So here the answer is pond. Then a flat place is called a plain. Okay. Then a mountain is bigger than a dash. Tell me what's the answer? Yes, hill. A mountain is bigger than a hill. Okay. Then our country is a beautiful dash. What is? Land. Here the answer is land. Our country is a beautiful land. Okay. Then what is our project? Collect pictures of cities, villages, mountains, seashores, etc. Okay. This is your today's project work and please submit it on your next class. Okay. Then what is our last activity? Draw and color a hill or a mountain or a paddy field as you like. Okay. Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next previous class. Till that time, my dear students, all of you please stay at home and stay safely. Okay. Now all of you please do your activities very well and send to me. If you have any doubt, please ask to me. I will clear it. Okay. Then bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.